What's up guys? Today we are looking at this incredible best Cssboon Tesla model. This is considered a total must-have for this year. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. To start with, the construction it exceeds all expectations. The materials feel solid and very comfortable to handle. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. It's designed to fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. The interface is intuitive and works right out of the box. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: stock is moving fast. Grab the discount via the link below and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see